Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mayank and my pronouns are he, him, and I like to do
videos of unboxings, purchases, reviews, all that kind of stuff.
This is one section of my channel. Well, I like to do a lot of things. My channel, you can probably tell, is like
all over the place because I have a lot of different interests.
diagnosed, doctor diagnosed,
Shopaholic.
or at least mom diagnosed. Mom diagnosed, shopaholic, and luxury enthusiast. I'm very new to this world, so, you know, appease you guys. So tell me what you want to hear, what you want to see, put it in the comments below. Tell me what you don't like, what you do like, I don't know, whatever. And if you're interested in all that, you know, click the subscribe, do the like thing, do the follow thing, do the share thing. If you're not interested, also do the like thing, do the follow thing, do the share thing, and also share it with your friends, share it with your enemies. Just share it. Why not? Who cares? Okay, anyway, so today I'm gonna do a little unboxing of Van Cleef. You can see from the bag, I got two little baggies. I actually got three little baggies. The third one, I'm only gonna unbox two of them because the third one is, I don't know where it is. So I'm gonna do an unboxing today of vancleef&arpels. This is my first time purchasing, my first time to the store. Very new to this brand. I'm very excited. Just went in the other day and I had an amazing essay, super nice. She just kind of walked me through all the things and I looked at, I wanted to get something to dip my foot in the brand, get my feet wet. I got something, I really like it. I don't know if I love it actually. I haven't even opened it yet, but like I'm kind of almost already regretting it. I'm a very big impulse buyer. I'm a huge impulse buyer. You guys will see. I like literally cannot say no. I'm working on it. 2022, work on impulse buying. I have told all my essays, like, I mean, they obviously want to make the sale and they want to help me, but they also like, want me to love what I get. So I have started saying, I make an appointment and I started saying, I'm not buying anything today. I'm just looking. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna sleep on it and I'm gonna think about it.
I said that.
It did not happen here.
And Van Cleef, I don't know if you guys know, Van Cleef doesn't have like you buy it, it's yours. I mean, there's no return for most of these brands. There's no return for, your money back. You can do it at 30-day exchange. If you buy it online, you can return it for your money back. If you buy it in Neiman Marcus, you can return it for your money back following Neiman Marcus' policy. But from VCA, you have to make an appointment first of all. It's very hard to make an appointment. They're very packed. I guess they're very
busy. Even their phones are busy. They're just like,
you gotta and it's very client. It's very personal. It's very it's a very nice experience. It's it's not as mass produced and crazy as Cartier. They're much more delicate pieces. They're much more intricate, and I guess they're a little more feminine. But and Cartier is very muscular, just industrial, and you can wear it. These are delicate pieces. Most of the sews you can't are susceptible to light, to heat, to water, blah blah blah. So if you want something that's you have to be very careful with, but it's very beautiful and lovely, but you have to take on and off and off and on. I don't know if Van Cleef's your thing, unless you just get plain gold, rose gold, white gold in the guilloche or the hammer, and we can talk all more about that later. So, two little baggies. Okay, so first of all, essay, so sweet. So I got, here's a bag with this thing, and this little bit of the bag, which is way heavier. She was so sweet. She gave me these delicious chocolates. There's they're the Van Cleef chocolates from Van Cleef chocolate from, I think it's in Paris. There's in Paris, there's I'm gonna do all my French accent stuff because I took 14 years of French and I lived in France. I lived in Paris, so I'm gonna try to use it. I've forgotten most of my French, but whatever. There's a 4 little box of chocolate. She was so sweet. I was like, can you give me extra chocolate? I'm really hungry because I hadn't eaten anything. And she's like, yeah. So they give you these cute little chocolates. It's from the chocolate store, I think that's right next to Van Cleef in Place Vendôme in Paris. I think that's what she said. I'm gonna ask her again because I don't remember. But it says La Maison du Chocolat, Paris. There's 4 of them. And then she also, oh no, those are not her. And then she also gave me a water, which I think I'm drinking. I'll drink it now. No, it's warm. Okay. Cute little bag. Oh, that's Van Cleef. And that's from Place Vendôme. Need to go to Paris. Okay, so here's a big bag with my purchase. Okay, so I got an entry-level thing. Talk all about the different types of bracelets that they have and necklaces and rings. I didn't say what it is. But the Alhambra line is their most famous line. It's the 4-leaf clover thing. And it comes in different stones. And it comes in different colors. And it comes in rolls. It comes in different sizes. The sweet is the smallest. It's the entry level. It's super small. It was supposed to be for kids, I think, because it was so sweet and cute. And then there's the vintage, which is a medium size. And then the magic, which is the big size. So it's magic is this big. You could totally see that, right? It's this big. Vintage is this big. And then sweet is this big. It's this big. So here's the receipt. Oh, so nice. Papier, so nice. Oh, wow. It says Van Cleef on the back. It says Van Cleef on the front. Van Cleef&arpels with 2 butterflies, which is another one of their motifs. And then my essay's little card is right in here. She's so sweet. She puts her card right here. And she's call me with anything, whatever you want. Here's my cell phone. Love you, love you, love you. I have 2 receipts in here. So, papers that nice paper that you print your resumes on. That receipt, and then that receipt with my name and all this nice stuff. This is what it says. says. It says your reference number. It says your individual number, which you should make sure it matches up. And then this is a receipt for a second purchase, which is actually a down payment or whatever to reserve a product because their products are so apparently rare and like they never have any inventory. But like, so at least she like didn't have half the things I wanted to get. So this isn't exactly like the thing I wanted to get. It wasn't the thing I went in to get. The thing I wanted to get, I put a deposit on, and when it gets in, hopefully she'll call me and I get it. So we'll talk about that later. But that's that. And you got this little booklet. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like, yeah, that was it. Yeah, you get that? So this little booklet is so cute. It's got like history, like a little picture. It's got like services, little like care advice. It's like so nice. And then it's got a little this. What is this? What is this? You know what this is? Oh, this is like my certificate of authenticity, and it's like got the little VCA all over it. Wow, this is really nice. It's got a little card on the back that says the number, the reference number, and the date I bought it, and then it's in French. Anyway, that's so cute. And it's got a little stamp that says Rodeo. So it's every like place is different. It's got vancleef&arpels stamp of the Rodeo. Okay, here's the box. So you can probably tell from the box, it's not a bracelet. It's a necklace or a ring. Well, kind of killed that, didn't I? Oops. And here's a little pouch, which is so cute. It's so soft. And it's like, you can keep it in here. Well, I mean, I guess this kind of gives it away too. Okay, it's a necklace. Fine, I told you. You can keep it in here, and it's got two little compartments. If you want to keep something else in here, I don't know if you want to keep a ring or something like that. So, it's like, this could be like its own little bag. Like, you just like attach a little string right here and like put it as a little like side bag. It's like a little wallet on chain. Oh my god, you could put like 5 cards in here and make this little wallet on chain. I just saved you guys like, I don't know, how much is a Chanel wallet on chain? Like $3,000? Or like any company wallet on chain? Well, I'm gonna do that. If I want to wear green. Oh, wait, should I do the Cartier things too? If I want to wear red? Okay, we'll get back to that. Beautiful ribby. It's very nicely packaged. And we're gonna open it. Oh, unboxing is the best. Unboxing are literally my favorite thing to do. Look at that ribbon. It's so beautiful. Box. Oh, so beautiful, right, you guys? This is the attention to detail is so great. Shut me up. Okay. All right. Okay, another the green. Same thing as this little pouch. You guys, I die. Okay. And it opens up like this because I love all the little boxes that open up like this. So you don't have to like, and it just like, you can get it out. And oh, it's a beautiful box. Okay. And are we ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? It's so good, right? Oh, I'm showing it to myself and not to you. Haha. I did that on purpose. It was a joke. Look at that. Okay, so I got the sweet Alhambra. I got the sweet Alhambra with the carnelian in rose gold. It only comes in rose gold in the sweet size, and the carnelian is the red stone. And like I said, this wasn't my first choice because I don't really like the fact that you have to take the stones on and off all the time. Like you can't get them wet. Carnelian's one of the better ones. Carnelian and onyx are like the better ones where it's not as damaging by water and heat and sun, but they still do get damaged and still do change the color over time. So you shouldn't really wear them in the shower. She said, I mean, the essay told me don't wear it at all. With water, you have to take it off and on. No water, no heat, no sweat, all those things. You gotta like keep it away from those things. So that's what I don't really like about this. Whereas if you got a rose gold one or a gold one or a white gold one, you could just, you know, wear it carefree all the time. Like these, I just wear them. I never take them off. They're just like 2 little Cartier diamonds. The Diamant Léger in the large size, and they're just like I wear them all day, every day, and like best bang for your buck. And they're so shiny, and they're so cute, and they're like very understated, but they're little diamonds, just like small enough. It's the biggest of the sizes, but like it's still not flashy. Okay, there's this little pillow that came. I don't really know what it's for because it's like it doesn't really do anything. It says Van Cleef up here. Then you got the little tabby to pull the necklace out, and the rest of the necklace is hidden back there. I've heard that these tangle really easily, so you got to be careful with that. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna put it on because, you know, that's the fun part. Here we go. I'm just gonna put this on real quick. It takes me 2 seconds to put on necklaces because I'm a pro. 3 hours later. Oh my god, look at it in the light. It changes color. Do you guys see that? Oh, it changes. It's like dark red, and then in the light, it's kind of like an orange red. It says VCA on the little lobster class. I keep saying VCA, which also reminds me of the hospital that I take my dog to. There's a VCA chain in LA. Okay, I'm just gonna check and make sure that this reference number is the same reference number here because I was told you're supposed to do that. So it says the gold, and then, oh, there it is. Wow, it's so cute and small. Good, it matches up. Woohoo! So they also will extend it. The first 90 days, you can get it like shortened or extended. I didn't do it. I wanted to take it out and wear it first, but I have 90 days to go back because I'm going to make this longer because it's a little short for me. I don't want it to be a choker, and it's a little longer. Oh God, this is going to be annoying to take on and off every day. I can already tell. It's a little short. It's like the same length as my 2 diamond ones, so it's like gonna just sit with them, but I want to make it longer. It does have 2 length options. There's 2 little holes to put it in. Okay, so I got it on 3 hours later. Okay, it's kind of like hard to see because it's like layered with these other things right now, but hold on. Let me take, I'm just gonna lift them up because you can just see, I think it would be kind of cute just like that and that here, so you can see the necklace by itself. I mean, it's really pretty, but it's really tiny, right? Like, I think I should have got one size up. The price difference is like $1,000 more, I think. So like this is like $1,630, but who knows when the price increase is gonna be. The vintage though doesn't come with rose gold. So that's why I didn't get it, because the vintage is the next size up. I think it's only in yellow gold, and then the magic maybe comes to rose gold. I don't know. They have all these like, you know, like different patterns and only 30 things, but this only comes in rose gold, and it's small and it's cute and it's kind of dainty and it's kind of subtle. So I don't know, maybe I'll wear it every now and then. Maybe I'll just wear it by itself, like when I'm wearing red stuff. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. Okay, that's the end of the unboxing. Woohoo! Okay, so if you like this, like, you know, do all the things, and if you didn't like this, like, do all the things still anyway, because like you stayed till the end, so you might as well just share it or subscribe it. If you love this video, share it with your friends and family. If you hated this video, share it with your enemies. Haha! We'll see you guys later.